But if you close your eyes.
Hello everyone, welcome to CodeRate. Today we'll be solving the product of array except self problem of LeetCode. The problem statement says that given an array of integers named as nums, return an array output such that output of I is equal to the product of all elements of nums except nums of I. That means in the output array, each element must be the product of all the elements of the array except the element present at that index in the input array. We have to do this problem in linear time complexity without using the division operator and in constant space. Note that the output array does not count as extra space. Consider this array as an input. We'll be declaring a new result array and initialize its first element as 1. We'll be doing this problem in 2 iterations. In the first iteration, the result array will be holding the product of all elements present to its left for each index of the input array. We'll start the loop from the second element of the array and store the product of left elements in the result array. That means we'll be multiplying the previous result element with the previous element of the input array. So after the first iteration, the result array will be this. The second iteration will be starting from the second last element. In this loop, we'll be updating the result array by multiplying it with the number present to its right, and will also update the input array. In this case, we'll multiply this 2 with the element present to its right, that is 4, and store it in the result array. We'll be also updating the input array, that is, we'll multiply this 3 by the element to its right, so the number becomes 12. By doing this, the result array will now contain the product of all elements except the number. So let's convert this logic into code so that you can understand more properly. We'll be declaring a result array with the same size as of input array. We'll be initializing the first element as 1. Now we'll start a loop from the second index. We'll be storing the product of left elements in the result array. We'll get this by multiplying the previous result element with the previous array element of the input array. So now the result array will be containing the left side products for each element. We'll start the second iteration from the last second element of the array. In this loop, we'll be updating the result array by multiplying it to the number present to its right. We'll also update the input array. At the end of the loop, we'll return the result array. So let's check this code. It is showing as accepted. Now let's submit this code. It is showing as success. We have completed this code in linear time complexity. Thank you for watching.